Welcome. In today's video, I'll show how to prevent Google Drive from accessing your contacts on your phone. If you want more privacy and control over your personal information, these quick steps will help you keep your contacts safe from unnecessary app access. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control all the permissions and preferences for your device. Next, scroll down and look for the section called Apps. Or sometimes it's labeled App Management, depending on your phone's brand and software version. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Now scroll through the list until you find Google Drive. Once you spot it, tap on the Google Drive app to open its settings and details. Inside the Google Drive app settings, look for a menu called Permissions. This is where you can see and manage what information and features the app can access on your phone. Tap on Permissions, and you'll see a list of different types of data and features, like your camera, storage, and contacts. Find the option labeled Contacts and tap on it. Here's the most important step. Select Don't Allow. This will block Google Drive from accessing your contacts. By doing this, you're making sure that your contact list stays private and isn't shared with Google Drive or used for syncing or sharing purposes. That's it. You've just improved your privacy by stopping Google Drive from accessing your contacts. If you ever need to change this setting in the future, just follow these same steps. Remember, managing app permissions is a simple but powerful way to protect your personal data and keep your information secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more privacy tips and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.